Hello, this is question 15. How many atoms of neon are there in 0.55 moles of neon? So how do we do this? This one is pretty easy, but again, it may be confusing to some people, right? By the way, we've been working on stoichiometry questions, and it has been pretty exciting so far. After stoichiometry, which one should we do next? So, according to Avogadro again, 1 mole of a substance like neon should contain about 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms or particles, as the case may be. So I'll just use atoms here because that's what we're dealing with. So how many atoms of neon are there in 0.55 moles? Okay, so that means 0.55 moles of neon should then contain X. And X will be 0.55 multiplied by 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23. Solve this well, and you should have about 3.3 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. Okay. Yes, I just chose to write it like this because, we have about two sig figs here, two significant figures over here. So I just feel it should be great to leave our answer as 3.3. Yes, but then this is how it's done, and let me know if you have any questions about this. And also let me know the next one to treat after stoichiometry, okay? Alright, bye bye.